Hi, my name is Matthias Ostermeier. I am working for NEWLINE Interactive as a business development manager since April 2020. Normally, I would travel a lot. I would visit customers, enable them, showing them our screens, showing them how to work with them, going to fairs. COVID brought the lockdowns with it, and it was very difficult to do on-site visits, and also it was sometimes difficult to understand the people through the masks. I have never ever seen a more interactive way of presentation like with Reactiv. For example, I got here my medias. I can pull in videos. Also, my screen is all the time visible. I can pull in pictures. Or also PDF files. I can auto-arrange them, and I can also enlarge things I want to speak about. And for example, in this way, you can see here the 4K camera. You can see our panel is also 4K panel, and it's awesome because I can write over everything I just pull in, and I also can save screenshots of that. And not even screenshots, I can even edit PDF files, for example. Like in this here. I can rip out pages like that one here. I can save annotations in these files, like I did right now. If I save it that way, the annotation will be saved into another file in the same folder, so I can access it later. As you can see here in the middle, you can pull the new file in, go to the page where I was at, page 7, and as you can see, my annotation is still there, and I can also access all the other pages of this file. One of the benefits is that one here. I can enlarge myself and put myself into the focus once I think it's necessary to look my customer into his eyes. And I can easily switch back to the content which I'm presenting, showing something else. And I think it's a more direct approach as just simply talking, and I think they're more interested and more focused because Reactiv is something they're not used to it. It's a very beautiful way to present content, in my opinion. And I also can annotate right in this presentation. In my opinion, presentation tools like that are really necessary for hybrid work. To be honest, I don't want to miss Reactiv SUITE ever again.